I'm Hal Thomas. I'm the Senior Paleontological Preparer at the Natural History Museum in Los Angeles County. And we're here today to talk to Dr. Chuck Rennie and get his impressions on this fossil baleen whale brain. And this is Dr. Rennie.
I'm Chuck Rennie. I'm Adjunct Curator of Marine Mammals at the Santa Barbara Museum of Natural History. I started working 47 years ago with marine mammals, and in the last 35 years or so have dissected hundreds of marine mammals. The brain is a very delicate tissue. The heat of decomposition, once these animals die, usually serves to liquefy the brain and distort it so you lose the anatomy. It is not common to see a reasonably intact brain in a stranded or dead marine mammal. We're here today to look at a fossil marine mammal brain, something that I've never seen, and something that soft tissues are rarely preserved in any fossil specimen. This is incredibly exciting.
And you have not seen this yet.
I have definitely not seen this.
So this is going to be exciting. So
this is a first.
This is the fossil baleen whale brain. And I would like to get your impressions of this. This is the top and the back of the skull. And inside the brain case is a
brain. I have never seen anything like this. This is incredible. I mean, given the rarity with which soft tissues are preserved in any fossil specimen, but to actually have a marine mammal brain, this is neat. This is absolutely incredible.
Can you kind of point out the salient characteristics and say why you believe this is an actual brain and not, like, say, an endocast?
These are the two hemispheres of the brain. Brains in marine mammals are flattened. They're vertically compressed and laterally side to side very wide. And this is not an endocast. This is a real brain. Fossilization has attached it to the cranium here, but this is the real thing. And it's absolutely fantastic. I can't begin to tell you how rare this is and how exciting it is for an anatomist to look at something like this in a fossil marine mammal.
Now, I've looked at this, and I see gyri and fissures, and in here would be where the corpus callosum and the ventricle would be seen.
Absolutely.
And you concur with that the ventricles here, we can see the corpus callosum, or at least an impression of it, and which in a endocast you're never going to see.
Right.
Because an endocast would be this whole inside in one lump.
Right.
So that's a very key characteristic right there.
And here you've got the grooves and fissures. They're called gyri and sulci in part of the brain. This is an incredible specimen that's incredibly preserved.
And another neat thing, which I think is cool, is the meninges in here, which separates the brain from the skull, which I've never seen in a fossil before.
Absolutely. I'm not a paleontologist, but you can see the meninges in a freshly stranded animal, but to see them in this fossil and to see this kind of detail is absolutely incredible. This is the real goods. This is incredibly exciting. Well, it turned out to be a fossil whale brain. Hal Thomas brought me up here to see a fossil whale brain, and it panned out. It is an incredible specimen, and this is truly an incredible experience. I mean, it's amazing to actually see this and to see this kind of detail in fossil soft tissue. It's absolutely amazing. Thanks.